Welcome back students. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remotely access an Ubuntu machine from a Windows computer using SSH. We will start by opening a terminal on the Ubuntu machine. Press Ctrl-Alt-T to open it. Let me zoom in the terminal. So let's write sudo apt update command. Sudo apt update. This command updates the packages list on your Linux system. It's take a while to complete. When it is done, then write sudo apt install OpenSSH-server. Sudo apt install OpenSSH server and then hit enter. This command installs the OpenSSH server package on your system. The OpenSSH server allows remote access to your Linux machine using the SSH protocol. After that, write sudo systemctl status SSH. These commands check the status of the SSH service using the systemctl command. It will display information about whether the SSH server is active and running. One more thing, check the IP address of your Linux system. Write IPA and hit enter. Here is your IP address of your Linux system. Now switch to your Windows system to get access to your Ubuntu system. Here, search for terminal and open it. Here, just write one command, which is SSH, your username at your Ubuntu IP address. In my case, my username is ikrahi and my IP address is 192.168.10.8. When you hit enter, it requires your Ubuntu password. Write your password and press enter. Here, welcome to your Ubuntu system. Now you can use your Ubuntu system in your Windows. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.